weather is pretty bad. It's raining. Oh. The rain is on my camera now. So I'm going to start designing the autumn box this week. And as you can see, it's really autumn weather, but it's May. Oh my god, can we just get some sun? Yippee boopie. And then suddenly I have some really autumn hair, all the curls because of the rain. I'm going to start the design of the autumn box, and I'm actually pretty excited because I already have some really super pretty illustrations, and I think you are really going to love that box. I'm going to clean up the office from all the labels from yesterday, and I'm going to pack more May boxes for shipping Monday again. So I guess it's going to be another busy week. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday I mainly was working on my computer, so it was not a day that I could vlog a lot. Today again I will be working a lot on my computer for the designs, starting the designs of the autumn box. But I also today and tomorrow will be packing most of the May boxes that are going to ship out on Monday, and I have to create the thank you cards again and the stickers with this stapler. I'm never going to forget that word again. And yes, I will take you with me during the day again. Let me give you a little sneak peek of the color combination of the autumn box. I think it's going to be this color combination. I'm just a little bit still in doubt. But of course, during the design process, it can still change a bit. But I thought it would be fun to give a little sneak peek how things go behind the scenes. And the rest of the day I'm packing the May box for shipping Monday again. I really love this box, and I'm really wondering if you could choose from all the products I released last year, if you could create your own box. What products would it contain? Please let me know in the comments. I'm really curious about that. I'm done for today. I packed a bunch of Beach Vibes box, and tomorrow I'm going to add them to the boxes and ready for shipping on Monday. Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday and I'm going to pack the May boxes for shipping for Monday. I'm going to add them to the boxes, the white boxes of Planything. And I got a little surprise for you because I'm just happy that you're a loyal vlog watcher. I want to give you the first sneak peek. So you cannot see this product on social media. So just in this weekly vlog, it's the pen of the June box. Isn't he pretty? It's kind of lilac purple with a lot of gems. So excited. I'm really excited to see what you're going to think of the June box. I think it's really pretty. And well, now I'm going to start packing. Done with packing for today. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm packing the rest of the orders that have, for example, the Beach Vibe boxes and also extra items. And these are already labeled, all ready to go for Monday. I'm just going to pack more orders today. Also bring away all the cardstock I collected over the past few weeks, and so I can have some more space in my office. And then I'll go grocery shopping. Boring. Oh, I totally forgot. I also expect the washi tapes for, well, it should be the June box, but I'm releasing it already in May because I just want to have it out. I just want you to be able to order it. And also the washi tape of the June box, but that June box will be releasing on June 1. But when it's arriving, I will show you in this video. I'm so excited. America box. I haven't got a name for it yet, but it's perfect for all your American holiday spreads with blue and red florals. This will be the washi box with 8 washi tapes. These are 2 skinny washi tapes, one with stars and one with stripes. This is a red washi tape with the florals. And these are American donuts and garlands. And this one is so cute with foil stars. And this one also has foil dots and florals, blue and red. Pretty! Hi, Poppy. Are you ready for the weekend? Yeah? Are you ready? The sun is shining, but some thunder is coming with rain, but it will be just short. Yay! Some better days. It's Monday again and I'm heading to the International Post Office, and it's going to be a long day again. The car is packed for a long drive to the International Post Office. I will be in the car almost all day. I'm going to end this vlog here because another week has gone by, and I hope you enjoyed watching all the behind the scenes and the little sneak peeks of the future boxes. And well, I see you in my next vlog. Bye!